Welcome to our exploration of the biobusiness industry. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the structure of this fascinating sector. Biobusiness combines biology, technology, and commerce to create products and services that impact our daily lives, from healthcare to agriculture. Understanding its structure is key to grasping how innovations move from the lab to the marketplace. Let's start by looking at the big picture and see how various players and processes come together to shape this dynamic industry. Biobusiness industry is made up of several core sectors. These include pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, medical devices, diagnostics, and agricultural biotech. Each sector focuses on different aspects of applying biological knowledge to solve real-world problems. For example, pharmaceuticals develop new drugs, while agricultural biotech creates genetically modified crops. These sectors often overlap, sharing research, technology, and even regulatory challenges. This interconnectedness is what makes biobusiness so innovative and complex. The heart of biobusiness lies research and development, commonly known as R&D. This is where new ideas are born and tested. Scientists and engineers work together in laboratories, universities, and research institutes to discover new molecules, processes, or technologies. R&D is a lengthy and expensive process, often taking years before a product reaches the market. However, it's the engine that drives innovation and keeps the industry moving forward. Once a promising discovery is made, the next step is product development. This involves taking the initial research and turning it into something that can be manufactured, tested, and eventually sold. Product development teams focus on safety, effectiveness, and regulatory compliance. They work closely with R&D, manufacturing, and marketing to ensure the product meets market needs and legal standards. This stage is crucial for transforming ideas into real-world solutions. Manufacturing is where biobusiness products are produced at scale. This process requires specialized facilities, strict quality control, and adherence to regulatory standards. Whether it's producing vaccines, medical devices, or genetically modified seeds, manufacturing ensures that products are safe, effective, and available to consumers. The manufacturing sector often collaborates with logistics and supply chain experts to distribute products worldwide. Quality control is a critical part of the biobusiness industry. Every product must meet rigorous standards before reaching the market. Quality control teams conduct tests, monitor production processes, and ensure compliance with regulations. This step protects consumers and maintains the reputation of companies. Without strict quality control, the risks of unsafe or ineffective products increase, which can have serious consequences for both health and business. Navigating regulations is a major challenge in biobusiness. Regulatory affairs professionals ensure that products comply with laws and guidelines set by governments and international bodies. This includes submitting data, managing approvals, and staying updated on changing rules. Regulatory affairs teams work closely with R&D and manufacturing to ensure that products are safe and legal. Their expertise helps companies avoid costly delays and legal issues. Once a product is ready, marketing and sales teams step in. Their job is to educate customers, healthcare providers, and distributors about the benefits and uses of new products. They develop strategies to reach target markets, create promotional materials, and build relationships with key stakeholders. Effective marketing and sales are essential for commercial success, helping innovative products find their place in the market. Getting products from factories to customers is a complex task. Distribution and logistics teams manage transportation, storage, and delivery, ensuring products arrive safely and on time. This is especially important for sensitive items like vaccines or biological samples, which often require special handling. Efficient logistics help companies serve global markets and respond quickly to demand. Support services play a vital role in the biobusiness industry. These include legal, financial, IT, and human resources departments. They provide the infrastructure and expertise needed for companies to operate smoothly. For example, legal teams handle patents and contracts, while it ensures data security and communication. Support services may not be in the spotlight, but they are essential for success. Collaboration with universities and research institutes is common in biobusiness. Academic partnerships provide access to cutting-edge research, talented scientists, and advanced facilities. Companies often sponsor research projects, offer internships, or license new technologies from academic partners. These relationships drive innovation and help bridge the gap between science and industry. Startups are a driving force in the biobusiness industry. These small, agile companies focus on breakthrough ideas and disruptive technologies. Startups often emerge from academic research or entrepreneurial ventures. They attract investment, take risks, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Larger companies may acquire or partner with startups to access new innovations and stay competitive. Large corporations dominate much of the biobusiness landscape. These companies have the resources to fund extensive R&D, navigate regulations, and market products globally. They often have diverse portfolios including pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and agricultural products. Large corporations drive industry standards and often set the pace for innovation and growth. Industry clusters are geographic areas where biobusiness companies, research institutions, and service providers are concentrated. Examples include Silicon Valley in the US or the Cambridge cluster in the UK. These clusters foster collaboration, attract talent, and create a supportive environment for innovation. Being part of a cluster can give companies access to resources and networks that accelerate growth. Funding is essential for biobusiness growth. Venture capital firms, government grants, and public markets provide the capital needed for research, development, and expansion. Investors look for promising technologies and strong management teams. Access to funding can make the difference between success and failure, especially for startups and early-stage companies. Protecting intellectual property, or IP, is a cornerstone of the biobusiness industry. Patents, trademarks, and copyrights safeguard innovations and give companies a competitive edge. IP management involves legal expertise and strategic planning. Companies must balance protecting their inventions with sharing knowledge to foster collaboration and progress. Biobusiness is a global industry with companies operating and competing in markets around the world. International trade agreements, regulations, and cultural differences all influence how products are developed and sold. Companies must adapt to local needs while maintaining global standards. Expanding into new markets offers opportunities for growth but also presents unique challenges. Efficient supply chain management is vital for biobusiness success. This involves coordinating suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors to ensure timely delivery of materials and products. Supply chain teams must manage risks, control costs, and respond to disruptions. A strong supply chain supports innovation and helps companies meet customer demands. Customer support teams help users understand and use biobusiness products effectively. They answer questions, resolve issues, and provide training. Good customer support builds trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. In the biobusiness industry, support may also involve technical assistance for complex products like medical devices or laboratory equipment. Industry associations bring together companies, researchers, and policymakers to address common challenges. These organizations advocate for favorable regulations, promote best practices, and provide networking opportunities. Membership in industry associations helps companies stay informed and influence the direction of the biobusiness sector. Government agencies play a significant role in regulating and supporting the biobusiness industry. They set safety standards, approve new products, and fund research. Agencies like the FDA in the US or the EMA in Europe ensure that products are safe and effective. Collaboration with government agencies is essential for compliance and access to public funding. Healthcare providers are key customers and partners in the biobusiness industry. Hospitals, clinics, and doctors use biobusiness products to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. Their feedback helps companies improve products and develop new solutions. Building strong relationships with healthcare providers is crucial for success in this industry. Ethical considerations are central to the biobusiness industry. Companies must balance profit with responsibility to patients, consumers, and the environment. Ethical issues include clinical trial transparency, access to medicines, and environmental impact. Responsible business practices build trust and ensure long-term sustainability. Biobusiness industry has a significant impact on the environment. Companies must manage waste, reduce emissions, and use resources efficiently. Sustainable practices are increasingly important, both for regulatory compliance and public image. Many companies are investing in green technologies and eco-friendly processes to minimize their environmental footprint. Digital technologies are transforming the biobusiness industry. From data analytics to artificial intelligence, digital tools help companies innovate, improve efficiency, and make better decisions. Digital transformation also enables personalized medicine, remote monitoring, and faster product development. Embracing technology is essential for staying competitive in today's market. Managing data is a growing challenge in biobusiness. Companies collect and analyze vast amounts of information, from clinical trial results to customer feedback. Effective data management ensures accuracy, security, and compliance with privacy laws. Data-driven decision-making helps companies identify trends, improve products, and serve customers better. International collaboration is common in the biobusiness industry. Companies, researchers, and governments work together across borders to share knowledge, resources, and expertise. Global partnerships accelerate innovation and help address challenges like pandemics or food security. Collaboration also opens new markets and opportunities for growth. Biobusiness industry is constantly evolving. Current trends include personalized medicine, gene editing, and digital health. Companies are investing in new technologies and exploring innovative business models. Staying ahead of trends is essential for long-term success. The future of biobusiness promises exciting breakthroughs and new opportunities. Despite its potential, the biobusiness industry faces many challenges. These include high costs, regulatory hurdles, and intense competition. Companies must also address ethical concerns and adapt to changing market demands. Overcoming these challenges requires creativity, collaboration, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Summary: the biobusiness industry is a complex and dynamic ecosystem. Its structure includes research, development, manufacturing, marketing, and many supporting elements. Success depends on innovation, collaboration, and responsible practices. As the industry continues to evolve, it will play an even greater role in improving health, agriculture, and quality of life worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the structure of the biobusiness industry.